Cannot change password on American Express fix. If you're having trouble changing your password on American Express, you're not the only one. Many users hit an error message or never get the reset email, and it can feel impossible to fix. But here's the good news: there's a clear reason, and it's easy to solve once you know how. Start by opening the American Express app or going to americanexpress.com. On the login screen, tap Forgot User IT or Password. Enter your 15-digit card number and the 4-digit card from the front of your card. American Express will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Make sure to use the code quickly, because it expires within 10 minutes. Now, when you create your new password, it needs to be between 8 and 20 characters long and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one symbol. Most people get stuck here because they reuse an old password, but American Express won't allow passwords that are too similar to previous ones for security reasons. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder and make sure your inbox isn't full. Still nothing? Try disabling any VPN or privacy filters that might block emails from American Express. If you're using the app, ensure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes block the password reset process entirely. And here's a tip: if your account has been temporarily suspended for suspicious activity, password changes are automatically disabled until American Express verifies your identity. You'll need to contact their customer support directly to unlock your account. Once your new password is set, log in again and confirm that your account information is correct. So, if you can't change your password on American Express, it's not a glitch, it's part of their advanced security system. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll regain access to your account in minutes while keeping your information fully protected.